Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can ping Apple Watch Series 10. So first you will need to take the iPhone that the Apple Watch is connected to, or for that matter, I guess any Apple device that is registered under whatever Apple ID account you use will do the trick. So as long as you have an access to the Find My app here, since all the devices that you log in using whatever Apple ID account you use will be displayed on the Find My app regardless of the device you take. Should it be like iMac, MacBook, or iPhone, I guess, or iPad for that matter. Anyway, so launch the Find My app on your iPhone, then select the devices section here among the devices in your family, or among the devices that are added to your Apple ID account. Find your Apple Watch, here is mine, tap on it, and then among the options you see here, you can tap at the play sound option. Then wait a few seconds, and as you can see, the sound or the ping is going to be played. I guess, I hope you can hear that, but I'll bring the Apple Watches closer to a microphone. Yep, so that's the sound that they play once you ping the Apple Watch. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.